Hi, this is Scoggett, and this is second part to my easy spaghetti my way video. And like I say, it's not hard to make this, very easy. If you don't really that good at cooking, you can make this. I'll show you how mine come out. Guess I better use this. It's kind of hot. And this way it came out. As you can see, it's cooked perfect. And I'm going to go ahead and plate some up for myself. It's fantastic, I'll tell you that. Just really good, and it smells great. And I toasted up some French bread here, and going to go ahead and add that, and there you have it. That's a meal fit for a king, let me tell you. The spaghetti is good, and then you have the toasted French bread to go with it. It don't get any better than that. And I'm going to go ahead and take a taste of it and see just how well I've done. Man, that's hot. A person can never go wrong cooking spaghetti. And if you have a large family, get you a big pot of this, and I'll tell you what, they'll eat it up. This is Scoggett, and hope you give this a try if you don't know how to cook and everything. And just, it's so easy. I mean, it's so easy. It's just, and you do it yourself, so you put what you like in it, and it's different than going and buying it somewhere because they make it their way. You can make it your way. This is Scoggett. I got my spaghetti getting cold, fixing to dig into it. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and y'all take care.